What's going on YouTube? Today I got a brand new YouTube video for you guys, and you guys reference YouTube title. And today's YouTube video we're going to be unboxing the brand new Popl product. This is Popl's metal card. They do have a plastic card, but in this one they changed it to a metal version, so you have the option of getting the metal one instead of the plastic one, whichever one you like. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the video and unbox the package. So if you guys do not know what Popl is basically a product that helps you share information really quickly and efficiently. They are the digital version of a business card. There's going to be no more need for paper business cards anymore. You're going to be able to share our information just with a Popl. So this is the Popl packaging right here. So let's go ahead and open it and see exactly how this metal card looks. So here's the first look at the metal card. It is just a little bit more thicker. It's not as much as a difference compared to the plastic one. But I could definitely tell you guys right now, this feels a little bit more heavier for sure. And you can tell that it's really solid. It's a solid piece of metal. If I try to bend it, it doesn't really give as much as the plastic one. So here we have it. On the front it says just Popl. On the back we have the QR code right here, and then we have the actual symbol right here that lets you know that it is NFC readable onto phones. Let's go ahead and set it up onto our Popl app. So let's go ahead and look up our Popl app, download it if you haven't already. If this is your first Popl, make sure to download it, and then you can set up your app right here. This is how I have my app set up. I do pay for Popl Pro. Popl is completely free if you just like to use the basic version, but if you do want to upgrade to Pro, if you have a business or anything like that and you want to have two profiles, you can go ahead and pay for Popl Pro, which will give you access to a lot more features itself, such as the dual pages like the personal and the business. So here I have two pages, my personal one and my business one, and I'll give you guys an overview of that in just a second. So let's go ahead and set up the Popl device. So let's go ahead to activate a Popl device. We have the metal card right here. Activate the metal card. Tap the button below to begin the activation. Hold the card like this because the symbol is right here. So that's where the NFC tag will be read. Your metal card will be activated to Julio Mendoza. Let's go ahead and begin activation. Tap it to the back of the phone just like this, and just like that we have successfully activated our metal card. So now this metal card is connected with my Popl profile, so I can share this information that I have chose to share right here on my profile. I can go ahead and edit profile and add all of these things right here, such as a phone number, your website, FaceTime, social media, Instagram, TikTok, all this other stuff. And then there are Popl Pro exclusive links such as like Calendly, Google reviews, and all this other stuff. So you can add payments. It's a really nice product, especially for entrepreneurs who just want to share their information a lot quicker. Let's go ahead and try it out. So here I have the Popl app all set up to my preference. Let's go ahead and tap it to the back of a iPhone and see if it works. Bam, just like that, it opens up. This is the first time I tapped it to somebody's phone, and instantly it just shows up that notification and it opens up my page. So here's my page. Let's go ahead and give you guys a closer look here. I went ahead and decided to share my detailing. So if somebody were to click on my detailing Instagram, this is how it will open up. So it will open up straight to my page that I decided to share. If they wanted to go back and look at, for example, my YouTube, here I decided to share a video. So if they would like to watch this video, they can go ahead and watch my car detailing a Toyota video. And then here I have my YouTube. They go ahead and click that and instantly take them straight to my YouTube. And then if they would like to buy a Popl, all they have to do is just buy a Popl here. Use code Julio Mendoza to get 20% off of your whole entire purchase. If you guys are interested in purchasing one, make sure you use my code. Save yourself some money. Who doesn't like to save money? And then here I have another Instagram that I decided to share, my landscaping one, my TikTok, and then also I decided to share my phone number for text, email, call, and then my two payment options, PayPal and Venmo. So that's really cool about it. But not only that, but with the Popl Pro you get the business with that one, and then with the just normal one you get the personal, just single page. So I'll go ahead and just tap it to the back of the phone again. Instantly shows up the notification. Go ahead and click on that notification and it opens right up to my personal page. So this is my personal page, almost the same thing. It just shares a little bit more different options, different video, so like that. It's differently set up, and then I have a different background for the picture. So you guys can edit all these things on Popl, which makes it super easy and efficient to have a Popl. There's no need for a business card. People don't have to be reading through your business card, looking what it says, where to go, and then they type in the wrong thing, and then all of a sudden they're on somebody else's page, not even yours. No, with Popl, it just goes straight to your page, and then they can click on what link they would like to look at straight from your page. And then also after you tap with somebody, it gives them this little pop-up that says share info with Julio Mendoza, so they can even enter their own name, their email, their phone number, and even more. And they can connect with you, and then that information will be shared to your phone, to your Popl app, and then you can follow up with them later. So that's a really cool feature about Popl. But not only does it work with iPhone, but it also works with Android. So with Androids, their NFC reader is towards the middle back of their phone. With iPhones, it's towards the top of the actual phone. So we're gonna go ahead and tap it to the middle, and then instantly it'll just open up your page. And then if I want to just share the business one, just click on the business, it'll load up the business, tap to the back again, and it just opens right up, just like that. Now, not only can I share my whole entire page, but I can also just share one link. For example, if I just wanted to share my YouTube, somebody just asked for my YouTube, all I have to do is click direct, and then for my YouTube right here, make direct. So now what will happen is when somebody taps on my Popl, or I tap my Popl to their device, this is what is going to happen. Tap it to the back, and it goes straight to my YouTube. It doesn't open up my page, and this gives you more options with what you share and what people want. So for example, somebody asks for your number, all you gotta do is just make direct your phone number, or your Instagram, or your Snapchat, anything like that that you want to specifically share with the person. You can do that with Popl. So you don't have to always just share your whole entire page. With the QR code also on here, we're gonna go ahead and try this out. So we're gonna try it first on the iPhone, open up camera. We're gonna go ahead and scan the QR code right there. And click on that QR code. Opening YouTube. Since I already had the direct on, it's taking me straight to my YouTube just like that. Now if I turn off direct, and then I also scan the Popl QR code again, like that, it opens up straight to my page. Literally, this is on real time, not even edited. You guys saw how fast I just changed it, and it loaded right up. And this works with Android also once you scan the QR code. So it gives you two different options, NFC and QR code. It works with a huge variety of different phones, and if for some weird reason their NFC is not really working, bam, you have backup right here, the QR code. It gives the person a different impression because most people really haven't seen Popl, and for them to see a little card like this and just to be able to share so much information in literally seconds, it'll definitely leave them impressed and give them even more reasons to follow up with your business or whatever you're sharing. So with the Popl app, also you get the ability of a custom QR code like this. You can change the color, you can check your insights right here, the leads, which leads you got, and then also with Popl Pro you can even scan a business card. So if somebody give you a business card, you can just scan it and it automatically it'll enter the phone number, their website, anything that they put on their business card, they'll enter it onto your Popl app. So like this, I scanned my old business cards that I used to have, and it showed up as car detail and exterior wash, and that's what this business card said. And it does this literally in seconds. So the amount of technology that goes into Popl is literally insane for the price. There are very reasonably priced products that enhance your ability to share your information and just get your name known. If you guys would like to pick one of these metal cards up, or the plastic ones, or there are other products, and they have a variety of other different products, I'll go ahead and share some up top right here of my other videos I've made on Popl. Make sure to use my code Julio Mendoza to get 20% off of your whole entire order at checkout. And then also a really cool thing about Popl is that the other person does not have to have the Popl app or a Popl themselves to use Popl. So this phone does not have Popl on the phone, but my phone does. So if I have my Popl product right here, I just tap it to the back and it just opens up because it shows up as a notification because the phone reads it as an NFC tag. That means that their phone does not need to have the Popl app or a Popl product themselves to be able to read your Popl product. This saves you so much time, and time is money. With literally just a tap in a couple of seconds, you share so much more information than you could have with a business card. So you just tap it to the back just like that, and it literally just opens right up. There's really no limit to how much things you can share on Popl because you can edit profile, add links, and you can add as many links as you want. Especially with Popl Pro, it unlocks all of these features. It unlocks all of the apps. So Popl is 100% worth it for entrepreneurs, people that are starting a business and want to just get their name known and out there quickly and really efficiently. Make sure to pick up a Popl for yourself. You don't have to get these metal card. They have a variety of different other products that may work for you. This is their new product, so I decided to pick it up and show you guys exactly how it works and what it looks like in person. If you're a person that likes to go out a lot, party a lot, go to clubs and stuff like that, Popl will be very effective for you because with the loud environment, you'll be able to share information silently and really quickly. So yeah, that's basically gonna conclude this video. If you guys do have any other questions or concerns or anything like that, please make sure to drop a comment down below. I'll reply to the best of my ability. If you guys would like to pick one up, make sure to use the first link down in the description below and use my code Julio Mendoza to get 20% off your whole entire order. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to drop a like down below. Subscribe for future unboxings and reviews like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.